Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to split the cells in the table. So you can split a cell within into two by using this method, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to split the cell in a table, just insert a table first. So I'm just going to insert a table with a 3 into 3 row. So now I just need to split a table by column. So you just need to click the particular cell that you want to split. Then right click on the screen. You just have options, and here you can see a split cell option. Just click here. Then you can split the width by column. For an example, I need to split it as 2 columns for a particular cell. So just type as 2. Then the split option will not be here. You just need to click here, then click split. You can see the cell has been splitted easily. Now I need to split this into 3 rows. The same option, just right click here, go to the split cell. Then you just need to I just need to split into 3 rows. So I just click here, then click on the split option. Now you can see you can type as 1 2 and here 1 2 and 3. By this particular option you can split any cells into multiple columns or rows. Just click here, right click here, you can see the split the cell option. You can easily split the cells. Try this option on Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next videos with super valuable Google Docs content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.